today we are going to be learning how to make a DIY 3D flower pop-up card. And so with that being said, let's get started. So we have this paper right here, and we are going to be folding it just like this. And then we are going to be folding it again, just like this, like a triangle. And then we're going to be folding it the third time. And then we are going to be taking a pencil and making an outline for our flower. Just like that. And then we're going to be cutting it out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then we got our flower here. I'm just going to be making lines going from the center. And we are done. And I'm just coloring the outer edges right here. It can be any color you want, and just keep rotating as you go. And we are done with the coloring part. Now we are going to take some scissors and we are going to cut a petal. Just like that. And then we are going to take some glue and just overlap the other petal. So I'm going to put glue right here. And we are done. Okay, and then we have to have 6 more of these. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we got lots of these flowers, and we are going to take one, and we're going to do just like this. And we are going to be putting some glue here and here. First of all, we are going to be putting some glue here and here. Okay, and we are going to take one flower and put it right about here. And then we're going to be taking another flower and putting it right here. All right, and then we are going to be putting glue here, here, and here. And then we are going to put some glue right here, 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 and here. Okay, so you're going to be putting more glue right here, here, and here. And then we're going to be putting this last one right here. All right, and then I just took a plain piece of paper and folded it in half, as you can see. And then we are just going to be gluing it here. Okay guys, so we are going to flip it, and we are only going to put glue in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to put glue here as well. And I am going to be using this hard book. Okay, so guys, I've kept this book for about 1 minute now, and let's see. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's pretty cool, right? And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.